Okay, it is May 11th and 12th. Today we're going to have a smaller or shorter assignment than we've had the last couple of days because the last couple of days we've had really long chapters to read and exercises to get done. So today's just going to be a little bit shorter. A few things to deal with. Basically, at the end of B days, I check all the grades, check out makeup work and stuff, and post the grades sometime during the B day. So once from that point forward, then everything's been updated. If you do something after, like I update the grades, then it's like, the grades get posted the next time there's a B day. I'm not going to check grades every day because it just doesn't make sense to do that because it'd just be going over. I mean, just like looking for one assignment for like one kid is. So I'm going to do grades on B days after both B day classes are over. As you know, there's no final exam, so whatever we get for the final fourth marking period averages out your 4 grades, and that's going to be whatever your average will be. So this year, everybody's done with the exam for the final exam, so that's really nice. We have 3 chapters of the things that carry left, I think, or maybe even 2. I think it's just 2 chapters left. So today, you're not going to read a whole chapter. What you're going to read is a newspaper article from the New York Times, and it's about the United States presence in Afghanistan after the 9/11 attacks. This took place in like 2005. It's something that kids would hit home for my family because my cousin Kristen, her husband was killed in Afghanistan, and basically this is a story that was in the New York Times about what happened after her husband was killed in Afghanistan. He wasn't killed by the Afghans. He had a helicopter crash. But it's basically the story of how that whole situation is dealt with and how it affected the people involved in the war. So it's a short, it's a 2.5 page newspaper article. It was actually from the New York Times. The article is saved as a PDF. It's called Fenty Death Article. And then after you do that, you complete the assignment. War hits home. It's 11 questions worth 25 points. There's one multiple choice question, the rest are fill-ins. Follow the directions for the fill-ins so you get everything marked right. But the idea is, read about this article is how it can just hit any random person, stuff like that. My cousin's husband was a lieutenant colonel. He was in the Army Rangers, and it's like he was a really tough guy. And he used to do all kinds of athletic things and stuff like that. And he was a really good leader, and just a really good person, and he just had a baby and stuff. So it's just basically the story of how the Army deals with stuff like that when someone gets killed in action, or in this case not in action, but got killed in a war zone. So read the article and answer the questions, and have a very good week. And thanks for doing all your work. You guys have been great, and I really appreciate it. So have a really good day. And I filmed this during the day so that you can actually see me. And as you can see, I actually got a haircut for the first time in 2 months. So my hair is there's not as much gray hair as there used to be. So everyone have a really good week and keep up all the good stuff that you're doing. Bye-bye.